In this video, we are going to see what is Hack the Box and how we can use it to practice pen testing. And we are going to crack our first machine on Hack the Box. Hack the Box is a massive online cybersecurity training platform, allowing individuals, companies, universities, and all kinds of organizations around the world to level up their hacking and pen testing skills. It is one of the best platforms to learn cybersecurity. You need to have a Kali machine to practice pen testing. First of all, browse to Hack the Box and sign up for a new account. The second step is to download the VPN and connect to Playground and start hacking some machines. Let's see some actual demonstration. So after you have signed up for Hack the Box account, you can go to the starting point. Select the Tier 0 machines. And select to connect to starting point. Just download your VPN. Now open your downloads. Run a terminal and give the OpenVPN command to connect to it. Now minimize it. Now get back to Hack the Box. And you can see that you are online now. Now in the second step, spawn the machine. Open a new terminal and check your IP address, which is 10.10.14.8 in this case. Once a target machine is started, you can see its IP address. You can ping the machine to check the connectivity. Now get back to Hack the Box and let's start answering the questions. As it is very basic machine, so many basic questions are asked. So VM stands for virtual machine and click on submit answer. Now the second question is what tool do we use to interact with the operating system, and which is terminal in our case. Now the third question is what service do we use to form our VPN connection to Hack the Box Labs, which is OpenVPN in our case. Now in fourth task, it is asking the tunnel interface name. You can go back to the terminal and see it is TUN. Now in the fifth task, it is asking how we can check the connection to our target, and we have used the ping tool to test the connectivity. Now it is asking what is the most common tool for finding open ports on a target, which is Nmap, as we already know. Now the seventh task is to identify the services running on port 23. Now let's launch an Nmap scan against the target. Copy the IP address of the target machine and launch the scan. And you can see the telnet service is running on port 23. Now the next task is to find the username that is able to log into the target with a blank password. Let's attempt to connect to the target. Let's try the root username and we are in. We can also see a flag.txt file in a directory. To see the contents of flag.txt file, use the cat command. And submit the root flag. And we have successfully cracked our first machine.